Alright, welcome back. Let's talk about string. Let's say how do we create multi-line string in PowerShell. So to do that, there are many ways. You might already know that we can just write string and it automatically prints. So let's say I want to multi-line this. To do that, you might know about /n/t/r and those kind of stuff. So in PowerShell, we use this thing, and inside you will have to pass the. Now this will work like the slash. So now we can use n as it is r. Now the n will add a new line to this. So if I hit enter, as you can see, new line is there. So if I remove this, now it is perfectly fine. Now we can add as many as we want. So another one, and here we go. Now just like /n, we have other parameters like don't want to do this. We have, as I mentioned before, we have /t. So if I do dash t, it will add space to this. If I do r, then it will remove the previous word. So like -r, that is like this. As you can see, the hello is now removed, so it removes the previous letter. Now another way to create multi-line string in PowerShell is to use this parameter like @, then start double quotes. Now if I hit enter, I can write and many lines as I want. Once I am done, I will just write the code in @. Now here we have the multi-line string. Now we can assign that to a variable. Let's say I am creating a variable with name $string and doing the same thing. So hello there, how are you doing? Everything good? And now I'm done with typing. So now I will do this. Now if I check the string variable, it will have that multi-line string that we created. We can add the expressions like /t/n/r inside here as well. Another method to add new line is by calling the actual environment variable. So let's say I have string that is hello and world. Now here let's say I want to add a line, right? So I will do this. Now I will call the environment variable, that is environment, like this. Now new line. So if I hit enter, as you can see, we have the new line after hello, because we are calling the new line from the environment variables. Now talking about string, we consider concatenation. So let's say I have two string, str1 is equal to hello, and str2 is equal to not 2 just 2 world. Now we got two string, right? So let's say I want to combine them. So to do that, I'll just need is to type str1 then str2. You can str_2 throws error. It should be in string like this, double quotes I mean. As you can see, we can add space here. We can assign this to a variable like $x equal to that. Now if I check the value of $x, we have the value hello world, which comes from two variables. Now previously you saw that I was adding $0 and then calling the environment variable new line. So this format is like when you have a string like this, let's say hello, and then I have $0, which means the first parameter that I am gonna pass from after f will be considered the first parameter. So let's say I'm passing Tauseed. It should be and double quotes. As you can see, we have hello Tauseed. Now we can like add other things like let's say this is 1. Now after this I can add another value for the 1. So let's say 45, and as you can see, it automatically grabs that in a puts that in a correct position. So here we can do many things like you are this, so you are 45, your age, let's say just a joke, 45, I'm not 45. So your age is this. So as you can see, we can use this to format the string that we have. That's all about strings in a PowerShell. We will see you in the next section.